The best pasta recipe I've ever had. Easy and delicious. Let's start by taking a pot and add some water. 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of oil, 2 cups of penne pasta. Stir and let it cook. Now in a pan, add a dash of olive oil, 1 onion, 2 garlic cloves, 3 tablespoons of tomato extract, and sauté. Oh, and tell me where you're watching us from so I can thank you for continuing to follow our recipes. To continue, add 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of oregano, 1 teaspoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of chili flakes, and stir. You guys, this recipe is very easy to make and super delicious. I'm sure everybody will like the results. Also, add 2 tablespoons of water, 4 tablespoons of milk, 2 cups of heavy cream, 1 cup of grated mozzarella cheese, 1 teaspoon of butter, and stir. And if you're still watching the video, you're loving our recipe. So like the video and write in the comments, I love pasta. Now turn off the heat of the cooked pasta. Add the sauce and stir. Be sure to make this recipe at home and then come back to tell me how it turned out. We'd love to know. And our recipe is ready. Now you just have to enjoy it. Look how wonderful it is. It's very tasty and easy to make. I really hope you liked it. Thank you for watching the video. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.